eBay and AliExpress Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing the eBay and AliExpress Marketplace Integrator, focusing on its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are included in the description below, so be sure to check them out. The eBay and AliExpress Marketplace Integrator is a powerful tool designed to help dropshipping sellers streamline their operations across two of the largest online marketplaces, eBay and AliExpress. It's ideal for sellers looking to automate product imports, inventory synchronization, and order fulfillment, making it easier to scale their businesses while maintaining efficiency. A key feature of this integrator is its ability to sync product listings in real time across both platforms. This ensures that your eBay store's inventory is always up to date with the latest product details, pricing, and availability from AliExpress. The tool also supports bulk product imports, allowing you to quickly add numerous products to your eBay store, saving time on manual listing creation. Moreover, it automates the order fulfillment process by forwarding customer orders directly to your AliExpress suppliers and updating tracking details automatically, which helps to streamline the entire process and improve customer satisfaction. The strength of this integrator lies in its dual platform functionality, allowing you to take advantage of both eBay's vast audience and AliExpress's extensive product catalog. The automation of tasks such as inventory updates and order fulfillment is a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on growing your business. The tool is also designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to both experienced dropshippers and those new to the game. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. The setup process can be somewhat complex for beginners, especially when configuring APIs or syncing data between both platforms. Occasionally, syncing delays may occur when dealing with large numbers of products or multiple suppliers, which can lead to some manual intervention. In conclusion, the eBay and AliExpress Marketplace Integrator is an excellent tool for dropshipping sellers looking to manage and scale their businesses across two powerful marketplaces. With real-time syncing, automated order processing, and bulk import capabilities, it simplifies many aspects of the dropshipping process. While there may be a learning curve, the long-term benefits make it a valuable investment. Check the links in the description for more details and see how this integrator can help boost your eBay and AliExpress dropshipping business.